If you're having trouble logging into a website on Mozilla Firefox and the site keeps rejecting your username and password or the login form just won't load properly, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can solve most Firefox login problems without any advanced steps. We'll clear the site data and cache, check tracking protection, and disable extensions that may be blocking the page. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and browser tips. Let's get into it. First, let's start with the easiest fix, clearing the site data and cache for just that website. Open the website where you're having the login issue. Look just to the left of the web address in the address bar. Depending on the site, you may see a lock icon, a shield icon, or a tune icon. Click that icon to open the site information or permissions menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Clear Cookies and Site Data. Click it, then confirm by choosing Clear. This removes old cookies, stored session data, and corrupted site files that may be preventing the login page from working correctly. Once that's done, reload the page and try signing in again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the login still does not work, don't worry, because the next step is also very important. Now let's check Firefox tracking protection. Firefox can sometimes block scripts, cookies, or page elements that a website needs in order to show the login form properly. To test this, look for the shield icon next to the web address. Click the shield icon and you should see options related to enhanced tracking protection. Turn off enhanced tracking protection for that specific site only. This does not disable protection everywhere, just for the site you are currently visiting. After turning it off, refresh the page and see if the login form appears and works correctly. If the website works after disabling tracking protection, then the problem was likely being caused by blocked content or privacy settings on that site. You can leave protection off for that site if needed, or turn it back on later once you finish logging in. If you still cannot log in, the next thing to check is your extensions. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and password-related add-ons can interfere with login pages. To manage them in Firefox, click the menu button in the top right corner, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From there, select Extensions and Themes. Then go to the Extensions section. Now turn off your extensions one by one, especially any ad blockers or privacy add-ons. After disabling each one, go back to the login page and test it again. This step is important because it helps you identify exactly which extension may be causing the issue. If the login works after turning off a certain extension, you found the source of the problem. You can keep that extension disabled for that website or adjust its settings if needed. So to quickly recap, if Firefox is giving you login issues on a website, first clear the site data and cache, then test enhanced tracking protection, and finally disable any extensions that might be blocking the page. These 3 steps solve a lot of common Firefox sign-in problems and can save you a ton of time. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more browser troubleshooting guides, computer tips, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.